I knew it. I plucked like a real ninja today. I don't need it to be a frontal. A cute, curly, slayable wig. Good morning, beautiful people. It's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you with Hoodie Chronicles #2. Y'all, this is what I look like early in the morning. So if we finna be family, y'all gonna have to take me as I am. My cats ruin at least one of my videos per week. I got something for you today. I got another wig selection. Now this one is really cute. Curly, cute. But before I get to playing and slaying, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. All right? Thank you to all my new subbies. I love y'all so much. Also, let me give it up for the subscriber of the day. You the bomb. All right, y'all, let's get all up into this. Now, this wig is from Supernova. They are on Instagram, YouTube. I'm just gonna show you what is inside of this goodie bag. Ooh. Lashes, your wig cap, your elastic band. You guys know I don't use those. A baggie, Supernova, bam. Y'all know I love these baggies. I got 10,000 of them. Your tie down. That's what I call them. I don't know what these things are called. Wrap, tie down, tie around, lay it down. That's for when you melt in your lace. Now for this baddie of a wig. Cap size small. That's my domology. I got the 200% density. This is, you know, what you would expect as far as the construction of the wig. It has the adjustable strap. It has comb on the side, comb on the other side, comb in the back. Okay, let me tell you why I like this. This is a closure, not a frontal. The lace does not go from ear to ear, but it's bigger than a standard closure. Standard closures are 4x4, so they're kind of small. This is a 5x5, and I believe they have 6x6 too. They're so much easier to put on and fit and slay, but they also cheaper. Hello, come on somebody. So it's a wider, longer closure. So it's like the segue in between closure and frontal. Okay, all right. This is their curly unit. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh man, I'm gonna be. I see how this is gonna go. I have high hopes for this wig. Now, hopefully it does not just tear my hopes into small pieces, because sometimes wigs can do that. You pull them out the box and you be like, yes, girl, yes. Then you put it on and you be like, ah. This is so pretty. These curls are delish. Okay, so yeah, it does have little baby hairs. Also, because you're only focused on this little closure piece, you can really pluck this, sis. You can get in here and really pluck. Like, you can get it. You can get it, girl, get it with this wig. Because, see, you don't have to go all the way around the frontal. So now you can show out with your plucking. You can show out with your plucking skills with a wig like this, because it's not going to take you long. I'm definitely going to tint this lace. We need some more brown lace. We need some more brown lace, y'all. We need some more brown lace. I'm brown and I want to see it going around. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and tint this. These curls are absolutely beautiful, you guys. No music. No music. Yeah, I love the length. I love how full this is, you guys. Yeah, we finna dip and fall back. We finna dip and fall back. All right, y'all. Let's fillet and slay this wig. All right? All right?
Keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower.
nice, you guys. So listen, so far in 2020, this is my favorite curly wig. Oh my gosh. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you we was gonna dip and fall back? This is so fliggity fly. It's a closure wig, so it's so much cheaper than the frontals. So much cheaper than the full legs, honey. You know how we created our own edges before we even put this bad boy on? It makes that hairline flawless, you guys. Wow, honey. Oh, I mean, yeah, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Oh, man. Honey, I ain't even mascara my bottom lashes. I'm so hyped. Oh my gosh, what do you guys think about this wig? The curls are really pretty. Sometimes when you get curly wigs, after you wash them or wet them, whatever the case may be, it reverts back to curly, but the curls aren't as cute as when you first got it. This is not the case. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I did a little tint to the lace with the makeup. I didn't do any bleaching, no over plucking. I literally did like strips of plucks. I plucked like a real ninja today. 200% density. I love it. Are y'all liking this? I'm giving y'all wig options for my wig wearers. And I've been hearing y'all like, can I get a wig, sis? I got you on the wig, sis. Yeah, this is. This is 26 inches of beautiful, beautiful curls. Perfect for date night. Big up to Supernova for this beautiful, beautiful unit. Y'all get y'all hands on this. If you want a really cute curly unit where you don't have to do a lot of customization, again, this is a 5x5 closure wig. They have 6x6 as well. If you like, that's cute, but I want a little bit more parting space. I don't need it to be a frontal, but I want a little bit more parting space. Get you a 6x6, okay? This is so, that's really all I can say about this. It's very cute. Oh yeah, this is definitely Mary Kay Bella approved. This unit right here is slaying, laying, and showing up ain't playing. How many of you guys are into curly? Or are you into straight wigs or wavy wigs? What's your thing? I love me a cute curly wig. This definitely satisfies my appetite for a cute, curly, slayable wig. Oh, and thank you to everybody who watched my All About Me video. Y'all was like, see, I knew it was much more to you. That's why you are the way you are. I knew it. There's so many different layers of your girl. Like, and in the comments, y'all was like, girl, me too. I was like, see, that's why we so cool, because y'all like me too. I feel I need to go to a house party or something. We ain't going nowhere. All right, y'all. Y'all be sweet. Y'all be safe. Y'all be good. And in the meantime, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye.